For the last 4 months, the murder trial of Oscar Pistorius, a global sporting icon who shot his girlfriend on Valentine's Day, caused a media frenzy. The court heard hours of testimony from dozens of eyewitnesses, experts, and of course, Pistorius himself. Although his own account of that day was riveting, it was during cross-examination that things really took an interesting turn. This footage of Pistorius targeting watermelons at a shooting range was used by State Prosecutor Advocate Nel to demonstrate the impact the bullets had on Reeva Steenkamp's body.
It's a lot softer than brain, but it's like a zombie stopper.
I didn't at any point compare it to a human or shooting at a human.
It's softer than brains. Who else got brains?
Nel, who has often been described as a pit bull, didn't let up. After a crime scene picture of Reeva Steenkamp's bloodied body was shown on screen, the prosecutor tried to force Pistorius to look at it.
Take responsibility for what you've done, Mr. Pistorius.
I've taken responsibility, but I will not look at a picture where I'm tormented by what I saw and felt that night. As I picked Reeva up, my fingers touched her head. I remember. I don't have to look at a picture. I was there.
It's the same thing as the watermelon. You had it now in practice, mister.
At times, the court was forced to adjourn because the athlete wept and vomited repeatedly during the testimony. And who could forget when one of Pistorius' neighbors, Rika Mutswane, tried to imitate the sound of Pistorius' high-pitched crying moments after he says he shot Reeva Steenkamp.
Thank you.
And I know it won't be as loud, but just to give the court some idea what you...
The crying was like...
The trial will resume for closing arguments on the 7th of August. Pagamile Hlubi, Johannesburg.
Know more. eNCA.com